Hi guys, today I'll be playing Jailbreak and I hope you enjoy. Comment down below what your favorite game is on Roblox. So, this is my first video and I hope you enjoy. So, whoa, there's a lot of people on this server. Comment down below how many people you think are in this server right now. And also, you'll get it right. So, as you guys know, this is my first video, and it's kind of hard for me because, well, this is my first video I've ever made, so I get nervous a little bit, so just bear with me. I hope you like it, so comment down below, what is your, if you want to friend me. So, what we're gonna do today is try to rob the train and the bank. So, and we're gonna try to get the helicopter so that we can do it. So, I have some Robux so that I can buy some stuff. So, comment down below if you know how to use the radio, because I bought it and they don't know how to use it. So comment down below if you know. So when I play this, it's going to be like, I'm going to have to like, it's gonna be posted quickly, so maybe you could watch it. So okay, this is gonna take a long time, so I think I'm just gonna go explode the wall, and I'm gonna kill, or I'm gonna get this key card, and I'm going to get the key card and stuff. I wish I had a key card, because then I could just do, because then I could. Yeah. So, I'm sorry, that was my brother. He just had to tell me something. So, I'm sorry. So, I couldn't really get a key card, and I didn't really want to waste my time. So, I just got this. So, I hope you you like my video. So, you're not going to hear me talk a lot because I need to concentrate, so just know that I'm not gonna talk that much. And guys, I don't really have a good car, so I'm just gonna go to the secret base. I'm just gonna sorry, excuse me. I'm just going to go to the secret base and get my clothes and stuff. And then I'm going to, and then I have to go. So, see you in a little bit. Bye.